morning. I'm VJ Narayan and Fiji Village on record. Latest update here on the major trial, the High Court trial of former Prime Minister Voreqe Bainimarama, former Attorney General Aiyaz Sayed-Khaiyum and former Health Minister Dr. Sharma will start before High Court Judge Justice Usaia Ratuvili this morning. And as you know, there are some charges, they had to be amended as pre-trial matters. I will go through the charges very quickly for you. Dr. Sharma is charged with 2 counts of abuse of office and 2 counts of breach of trust by a person employed in the public service. Now, it is alleged that Dr. Sharma, between July 26, 2011 to September 13, 2011, abused his position when he was the Minister for Health by intentionally failing to comply with statutory requirements for tenders stipulated under the procurement regulation for the Ministry of Health. Now, the tender number is CTN 66/2011, and it is alleged he actively engaged in acts to undermine that tender in favor of the bidder Hospital Engineering and Consultancy Limited, also known as Hospinair. It is also alleged that Dr. Sharma, between October 2011 to October 18, 2011 to October 20th, 2011, abused his position again, failing to comply with the statutory requirements for the tender. Dr. Sharma also allegedly between July 26, 2011 to September 13th, 2011, in the discharge of his duty, committed a breach of trust by intentionally manipulating the tender process, the same tender again as earlier highlighted, to ensure that by manipulating that, the tender process went to and in favor of Hospital Engineering and Consultancy Limited, also known as Hospinair. According to the amended charges, former Prime Minister Bainimarama is charged with 1 count of abuse of office. It is alleged that Bainimarama, on September 13, 2011, as the Minister for Finance, recklessly abused his position by granting a waiver of the tender process without lawful justification. Aiyaz Sayed-Khaiyum is charged with 1 count of abuse of office and 1 count of obstructing the cause of justice. It is alleged that Aiyaz Sayed-Khaiyum on October 20th, 2011 recklessly abused his position as the acting Minister of Finance by granting a waiver of tender process without lawful justification. Now, it is also alleged that Sayed-Khaiyum between June 1st, 2012 to March 31st, 2019, being employed as the Attorney General, intentionally obstructed FICEC's investigation against Dr. Sharma in the Ministry of Health tender case by directing all investigations to be shelved until further notice, which resulted in FICEC stopping the investigation and no criminal charges being filed against Dr. Sharma. Now, the state is expected to call 26 witnesses. We've seen the list. The witnesses include former Deputy Commissioner of FICEC, George Langman, former Permanent Secretary for Health, Dr. Salanieta Saketa, former Acting Permanent Secretary, Dr. Josefa Koroivueta, former Chief Government Pharmacist, Apolosi Vosanimbola, Secretary to Cabinet Susan Kiran, and businessman Arvind Chandra and investigating officers, amongst others. The case continues in the Suva High Court. Stay with us for developments.